A lot of people deal with this. You deal with it in your practice of child support. Some misunderstandings. A person might think it's a two-way street, that I'll pay my child support, you let me see my children, but if you don't keep your end of the deal, I'm not going to pay you anymore. Give us a little insight on that, because you tell me this comes up fairly often.
It comes up a lot. There's a misconception that I don't have to pay child support if I don't get my visitation. They're two separate issues. You have consequences for violating whatever court order is in place regarding those issues. So if you have every other weekend visitation, which is a typical standard visitation schedule, and you're denied, then the person denying you, the other party, would be in what we call contempt. So you're in violation of the order, and you're subject to criminal sanctions, which could be 5 days for each violation of the order. Same with child support. It's not something that you can withhold to get the other party to comply with the order itself. If you don't pay it, it's 5 days in jail for each month you didn't pay it. But there's a misconception that you can withhold it.
I understand the thinking. A guy's not seeing his children and says, well, then I'm not going to pay you. And the court says, no, that's not how this works.
That's right.
If you have a problem, call the court, file a complaint on whatever side you're on, and let the court deal with it. You can't deal with it yourself.
But see, Michael, just like when you were talking there and you said, I'm not paying you, it's not between the parents.
Right.
In other words, you've got the child sitting there that's innocent, and so he's not getting to see his daddy because daddy won't, go, and mother can't buy him things because daddy won't pay child support.
So he's the victim.
He's getting double whammied. Oh yeah, he's a double victim.
It's not his fault at all.
Exactly.
Right. I kind of lightly said to Leaf when we were talking earlier, well, no judge is going to send a mama to court with children at home. And he said, oh yeah, they will.
Yeah.
Yes, they will.
Yeah, I was telling Leaf before the show started, there was a neurosurgeon here that spent some time in jail.
For violating
For not paying child support.
Yeah. Serious stuff, and it's all about children, as Bob aptly pointed out.